Cancer diagnosis is not a death sentence. And I've learned that personally in our own household just before the pandemic hit. Day before the lockdowns were supposed to start, I felt a lump on my wife's breasts. And without hesitation, even though there was all the fear of the pandemic, Megan went right into the doctor, got the various tests that were needed, and we jumped right in, and she, like a trooper, took those treatments, radiation. Before that was the chemotherapy. And now Megan is a cancer survivor, and we couldn't be happier about the treatment that she's received. Now, of course, that means we've got to be vigilant and regularly getting updates and screenings and whatnot. But that's just, the reality of life. And that's something that cancer survivors know all about. But they also need to know more. And that's why Memorial Health is putting together a free class for cancer survivors coming up June 25th. And joining us is Naomi Wands, who's helping put that together here with Springfield's Morning News. I'm Greg Bishop on 92.7 WMAY. Springfield's News and Talk at 7:43. Naomi, good morning. Thanks for taking time with us. How are you?
Hey, good morning.
So tell us about this class and the importance for cancer survivors of getting continued education.
Sure. So we're doing this. June is Cancer Survivors Month, and we're putting on an event called Surviving to Thriving. What we really want to do is help move people from just getting through to wellness, right? We want them to feel like they have the tools to live a better life after cancer.
There are so many advancements that have been made, and it's pretty incredible to think about all of the different things that people have when it comes to choices for treatments and the different types of support groups and just the variety of professionals and doctors and research that's being done. Tell us about some of the things you guys are going to be delving into for this class coming up June 25th.
Sure. So really, we're going to focus on a couple of different things. One is going to be diet and nutrition. We are going to be at the Memorial Wellness Center, which has a wonderful new test kitchen. So we're going to get to kind of play around in that kitchen. We have a dietitian who's going to show everybody how to make some very nutritious refreshments and then some little tasty bites, and just kind of work on, how to get the best nutrition when you're eating, making the most of those calories that you're kind of putting into your body. We're having a physical therapist there. She's going to work with the group on gentle stretching, breathing exercises, and then we have a certified mindfulness counselor also who's going to work on that stress. Cancer's stressful, so just giving people tools to deal with that. And then from the social aspect, we're having a panel of cancer survivors who are going to share their experiences and ways that they found things that they found useful in getting through their journey, and then also kind of what they've done to make their health better since they've had cancer.
It's a pretty remarkable battle that far too many people have to endure, but a lot more are surviving than had been previously in previous generations, and that's a testament to the work at not just Memorial, but with various medical facilities all across the state and the country and the globe. Naomi Wands with us. She's with Memorial Health. Who should register for this? Just cancer survivors or somebody like myself? My wife is a cancer survivor. Is this something that I could benefit from as well?
Yes. So this event is open to really the public. It's for any cancer survivor, family member, caregiver, anyone. We've all been touched in some way by cancer. We've all known somebody. So really, we're not going to turn anybody away. We want you to call us and register. Do you want me to give you that information now?
Please, absolutely.
So you can register online at memorial.health/events. And just follow the prompts, or you can call 217-757-7684. The event is on the 25th, so we'd like to know that you're coming by around the 20th so we can plan and prepare. So don't wait. Get those registrations done or those RSVPs done so we can know, how many to prepare for.
And again, the website is memorial.health/events. Or you can call 217-757-7684. They want you to RSVP by June 20th. The event is Saturday, June 25th at Memorial Wellness Center on Miller Street here in Springfield. Again, you're going to be hearing from experts about nutrition, about mental health. You're going to be hearing about cancer survivors and how they've bettered themselves as well. And it's not just for those who are surviving cancer, but those loved ones who stood by those all throughout their treatments. So looking forward to seeing more of this and bringing the community together. And again, June being Cancer Survivor Awareness Month, and Naomi Wands putting this together. Again, just give us that brief overview for people just now tuning in, Naomi. What can they expect for the free class for cancer survivors coming up June 25th?
Sure. So this is at the Memorial Health and Wellness Center. It's June 25th from 9 a.m. to noon. We are going to be having a session on nutrition, and it's going to be in a test kitchen, so it's hands-on. They're going to get to play around with some of the things in the kitchen and learn how to make some healthy bites. We're going to be doing stretching, breathing exercises, and then mindfulness just to help with stress and loosening up and learning how to kind of cope with what you're going through. And then we're going to have a panel of both cancer survivors and caregivers. I should have said that before. Who are going to share their experiences and some of the things that they did to help get through their journey, with cancer and with their loved one.
A great day planned with Memorial Health. Greatly appreciate you taking the time and telling us about this for the June 25th class for cancer survivors. And again, you can register online. Go to memorial.health/events. It's a free event. And you can also register by calling 217-757-7684. Naomi Wands with Memorial Health. Thank you so much for taking time with us this morning.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you.
It is Springfield's Morning News on 92.7 WMAY, Springfield's news and